In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and sign up to a Bet365 account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, if you haven't done so already, make sure to go to your Player App Store and download the Bet365 app. Once you've done that, go ahead and open it up and you'll be brought to this page here. So Bet365 use your location. So go ahead and click on continue and then click on why using the app. And now once that has all been said and done, it will move over to the home page of Bet365. And now to sign up to Bet365, click on the login button. This is the way to create an account. And then on the top left hand corner, you've got join. So go ahead and click on the join button. Now this will redirect you to another page. And now you want to fill out this form here under join us. So set your country of residence, email address, mobile number, your details here, your date of birth, then click on continue. So I'm going to fill this out and get back to you once this is done. Also, another thing, when you're filling out this form, it must match your ID as well. So put in all the details and make sure they are all 100% correct. All right, once that's done, I'm going to click on continue. And now from here, you got to put in your address. So go ahead and put in your address. Once you've done that, click on continue. And then you want to put in some login details. So you choose a username, a password. If we keep scrolling down, you can receive information about gambling promotions if you want them. If you got any bonus codes, you can pop them in here. And you can set deposit limits as well. So you can choose a time limit. So if every 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, or if you don't want any deposit limits, click on that. Put the amount in and then click on the terms and conditions and then click on join Bet365. So I'll go ahead and quickly fill this out. All right, I filled all that out. So now I'm going to click on join Bet365. Once you've done that, they're going to click on get code and it will send you a code to your mobile device to put in to verify your account. All right, I'm going to open up the message. Here's the code here. So I'm going to pop that into Bet365 and then click onto verify. All right, then it says here, for security purposes, you're required to turn off developer mode on your Android device to play. So if you've got developer mode, just go ahead and click turn that off. And then once you've done that, you've got verification. So the verification of your account. So before you can deposit, we need to verify your identity. Please select one of the below options. We aim to review your documents within 15 minutes, although during busy periods, this may take longer. So you've got electronic verification documents. You've got upload identity documents or upload proof of address documents. So they got a whole list of things you need to do. So go through these one by one, and once you've done that, you've verified your Bet365 account and you can start placing bets.